Hello, welcome back to Kari's Kitchen. Today we are making sourdough bread. I'm adding in the sourdough starter, whole wheat flour, bread flour, about 8 grams of salt, I love making sourdough bread. So easy. Okay, it's time for me to use my hands. Well, you're not kneading. You're just bringing all the flour together. So it's a patient kind of thing. If you're not patient, you're gonna ruin your dough. Okay, now you leave it for about an hour. Now we're going to stretch it and fold it. The main purpose of this is to just get your gluten, some water on your hands, strengthen the bread. That's the main purpose. So you pull, then you fold. It's called stretch and fold. Stretch and fold. Okay, repeat the same process 3 more times, but this time we're going to be back in 30 minutes. You do the last stretch and fold, and then you let it rise. Leave it at room temperature and let it rise. It takes about maybe anywhere between 3 to 6 hours, depending on the size of your bread and the temperature and all that stuff. Look at that beautiful dough. So now you leave it to just rest. Look at that bubble. Pop. 4 hours later, it is risen. A little bit of water and flip it over. You gotta be gentle where it goes. There we go. Just in your hands a little bit. Okay. There's no one particular way to mold your bread. Shape your bread any way you want. And I'm rolling it out to give it some tension. Put it in this bowl and let it rest overnight and bake it in the morning. I line my bowl with a clean dishcloth and then flour the cloth with rice flour so the bread doesn't stick to the cloth. Just put a little bit of flour on top. Rice flour. The reason why I use rice flour, it doesn't absorb moisture like regular flour. Okay, and now let's do your best to seal it. Flour this a little bit. Then you are going to put right in there, like that. Go to sleep. Bye-bye. Until tomorrow morning. You put this in the fridge. Good morning. Let's see what we got. Let's open it up. Oh, look at that beauty. Okay, time to bake. I'm gonna flip it into my baking pan. Gently pull it up. Look at that beauty. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna score it so that it gets enough air to rise properly. Don't have to really do anything spectacular. And into the oven. Fresh out of the oven. Looking good and delicious. So wonderful. Look at those blisters. Beautiful. Good bread right there. Until next time, hope you enjoy your bakes. Bon appetit.